Coming together to break fast in the month of Ramadan is a common practice of Muslims in different parts of the world in order to promote love and brotherhood among themselves and to inculcate the habit of sharing. It is a religious function known as Iftar, meaning the breaking of fast. The Ahmadiyya Muslim Jama'at in Sierra Leone over the years has been organizing this blessed event, which has tremendously gained the attention of many eminent non-Ahmadi Muslim scholars in various fields of knowledge, Imams, senior government officials, the police, the military, firefighters, law practitioners, business partners, to name a few. Alhamdulillah, this year also, the Jamaat has successfully held another remarkable group iftar on the 23rd of May 2019 at the Mission Headquarters in Freetown. More than 200 people were in attendance, and some of the prominent individuals were His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, Honorable Dr. Mohamed Juldeh Jalloh, former Vice President Hon.Victor Bockarie Foh, Honorable Edward Soluku, Minister of Internal Affairs, Honorable Madam Baindu Gasama, Minister of Social Welfare, Gender and Children's Affairs, Chief National Fire Force Officer, Mr. Nazir Ali Kamanda Bongay, Honorable Sadiq Sillah Deputy Minister of Transport. Many deputy ministers, imams, politicians, national executive members of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jama'at Sierra Leone, and missionaries graced the occasion. The Honorable Vice President expressed his gratitude to the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jama'at for organizing this function and all the attendees.
More importantly, I want to tell you all thank you and tell the Ahmadiyya Mission thank you for this invitation. I carry out with the host of ministers there. We get very strong relationship with the Ahmadiyya Muslim brotherhood. We said go Ahmadiyya school in 1987. 1987, I go Ahmadiyya school in Freetown.
He also appreciated the Jamaat's efforts in the field of education and many other developmental activities. The Amir and Missioner in charge, Maulana Saidur Rahman Sahib, addressed the gathering and mentioned the visit of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih III, may Allah have mercy on him. Huzur advised at that occasion that Sierra Leone's future lies in science and education. The program ended with silent prayer led by Maulana Saidur Rahman Sahib, the Amir and Missioner in charge, Sierra Leone Jamaat. Reporting for MTA News, Hassan Sisse, Sierra Leone Studios.